Good morning, everybody. Ileana Farmer is here. We're checking back in with everybody. Today we are doing some cattle chores, some cattle work, and we're going to wean some calves. I think we're weaning 6 calves. My sister has a list wrote out for me so I don't screw this up. So basically what we're going to go do is we're going to separate the moms from the calves from the moms, either way. But we're taking the calves back to the show barn where you saw the last video for the cattle work, and we're gonna, in the next few weeks, we'll let them settle down for about a week, and then we'll start tying them up, washing, clipping, doing that, and trying to get people interested in buying them. So here's the list. We need 30 orange, smoke 35 purple, which is a holy smoker. We need 49. We got a band 49. We got 52 red, 35 orange, 70 purple, and I think that's 6 of them. So there's the list, broke down pretty simple. So Ron's up ahead of me right now, and he's on the quarter horse, or as we like to call the Honda Rancher 350. Ron's on the big quarter horse up there. And he's getting him a fresh Diet Coke cracked. I just saw him take a shot of Diet Coke. He's getting tuned in. So we're pulling into the pasture here. And we have just hit the jackpot in the cattle industry when it comes to rounding up these wild animals. They're right next to the corral. This happens about once every 10 years. I don't know. Got a little creep feeder there. But anyways, there's about 70 or 80 acres of pasture down here. And it goes back, I would say, the farthest point these cows could be from this corral is maybe a mile and a half. But they're really close, so they shouldn't give us any trouble. I'm going to spin around here and give them what they want, and that is feed. A little rough. Little rough. Okay. We're in the correct position. We've spun around the cow herd. We get in front of them, and I'll get out here in a minute and show you guys how it works. And then Ron will come from over there. We got to just go up and around the tree and pin them up and then do a little sort. It's like they know I've got something in here for them. That's an air tank. That's not feed. How am I going to do this? See, they're kind of greedy, and they will rip the bag out of your hand. So, hold on a second here. Go. Go. Is that any good? Okay, they're shy today. They're not talking. These cows will usually carry on a full conversation with me. You want feed? You're on the wrong end of the truck. So we got to get all those in, and there's some calves in there. You can see couple laying down there. That's what we're after. We're trying to get these in. So now the next step to getting these cattles in, they love the horn. Any words you'd like to tell the camera while we have you here? Okay, see ya. All right, so now our main goal is to separate the little calves from the big cows, like that one. Actually, that one's not very big. Like that one. And then they get in here and it gets all dusty and they kind of jump around and do that. So we try to be real calm with them and not stir them up where they run through a gate or do something stupid. So it's easier said than done sometimes. Another thing, I'm going to try to get these calves in and get it on video and not get yelled at by Ron. We'll see how that works too. I'm not sure. Why don't we get them in and then make a decision. Come on, buddy. You want me to shut this? Or not? Here. I'm pretty sure orange 30. Okay. All right, so this thing here behind me is what we call a head chute. These two sides right here, I don't know what you actually call that, but the two slats right here on each side has a handle over here, and you pull down on it like you just saw, and it'll squeeze them on their neck, and it doesn't really hurt them at all. And then it keeps them contained in the chute where we can give them vaccines, or if they're sick, treat them for whatever. Or if we need to breed all these big cows, we run them in here and do the breeding down here at the pasture. Or if they're over at my mom and dad's, we have another one of these over there. Nothing fancy, it just works. So that's what we're doing. This little guy, he is, it's not going to be a fun day for him. He's getting banded. And I mean, this is farming, this is livestock, so there's not much I can really do other than just tell you. He is a bull calf right now, and in a few minutes, we're gonna make him a steer. I mean, it'll take a few days, but we're gonna band him, and he will lose his manhood that gives him the testosterone to be a big bull. All right, so what I just showed you guys, that little pie you just saw, that's the same type of pie you guys are buying at Walmart, Whole Foods, whatever. Everyone's on the farm to table kick. Let me break it down for you. Cows are eating, they get hungry. Cows got to go potty, go to the bathroom. They make a pie right there. And that's as fresh as it gets. Just kidding. Regular old cow patty. You guys don't actually eat that, that was just a joke. All right, to give you guys just a little rundown on what's taken place so far. We've got the cows in. We've got the calves separated from the cows. The calves are in there. And we kept one cow in there just to kind of keep them calm and not try to get them all worked up. Ron's going to get the trailer. He'll come back. We'll load the calves in the trailer, and then we'll move them back to his house. Sound good? Good. Sometimes it just pays to work harder and not smarter. I mean, smarter and not harder. In here, we opened up this gate over there and ran them around it. And ran them up on here in the trailer. Ron's gonna pull up so I can shut the door. But they're all in here. And we'll take them home and begin the process of trying to keep them in the pen without them jumping out. Man, the people running the bakery today are gonna be pumped. Cranking out pies left and right. I'm going to show you real quick what Ron keeps in his cooler. Cattle medicine and fresh Diet Cokes, uncracked, waiting to be chugged. Look at those. He doesn't let anybody in here, ever. All right, so the cattle are loaded. Calves are loaded in the trailer. We're headed back to Ron and Jody's house. How do you think that went?
Pretty good so far.
All right, so we made it over here to Mom and Dad's. And we're gonna get backed up here and unload them into here, into this pen, and hopefully they'll stay inside. All right, everybody, thank you for watching the video. That's pretty well the end. We've got them sorted, moved over here, unloaded. They're in their little holding pen, I guess, for the next few days. We'll just feed and water them, let them settle down before we then go to tying them up, trying to halter them and work with them. So we're going to give them a little bit of time, but I want to say again, thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already yet, please subscribe. Or subscribe over there. It's backwards for me on this thing, but comment below, give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos and all the feedback. I can't thank you guys enough. So we're gonna sign off here. We've got our last bin of corn to clean out this afternoon, so we're gonna be done hauling corn after day, so I'm pretty excited about that. We got to run a sweep auger. I'm not excited about that, but we're signing off here. Everybody have a great day. Once again, subscribe, comment, thumbs up. We'll see you.